Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic in your everyday. Right now, we are going to be doing a summer craft. Now, if you bought the subscription box, the Magic Mail subscription box, the summer edition, this was the craft in the box that you received. So if you want to do this at home, you can use all of these same materials, you can add the materials, and I will have the step-by-step directions, that's a free guide, down in the description box below. Also, crafting is one of the 50 things to do with your kiddos this summer, so it doesn't have to be this craft, but if there's anything that you want to do with your kids, please make sure that you are hashtagging or using the hashtag Fairy Tale Summer Magic on social media to be entered into our giveaway. All those details will be down below as well. Okay, so when we think of summer, we think of the beach, right? And one of Callie's favorite things to do on the beach is to build. What do you like to build in the sand?
Castle.
Sandcastles. So to do a sandcastle craft, but with a Disney twist, because Disney is the best. So instead of just doing a regular Disney or a regular castle shape, we are doing the shape of Cinderella Castle. So we're going to have a Cinderella Sandcastle craft. Now, how we achieved this, excuse me, and if you purchased the box, you received all these templates. We have a paper template copy of Cinderella Castle that I then taped onto the back, and this is where the sand part comes in, the texture of just a sheet of sandpaper. Now you can use whatever you have at home. You could just use regular construction paper, but I took the back and I attached the template guide, and then that gave us a rough silhouette of Cinderella Castle, which I think is wicked cute. So I am inserting this little sped up clip of me cutting out the template because I wanted to show you that this is probably something best left to the adults only. I didn't think Callie would have the patience to sit with me while I worked through the angles of cutting this, and it did go rather quickly. It took me about a minute to do, and I wasn't trying to be exact or precise, just trying to get a rough estimate for her to decorate. So something for mamas to know as prep work before you get into the craft itself. Now we get to bedazzle and embellish this gorgeous castle. So I'm gonna tilt you down a little bit. Oh, Callie, we didn't get our seashells. Wanna go pick them? We'll go pick them right now.
I'll just be right back.
Be right back. We need to talk about the materials that you're going to need in order to do this craft, right? Okay, so you need some type of template or a freehand drawing. What else do we need?
We need paper.
Yep, you need some type of paper. We are using regular run-of-the-mill sandpaper. What else do we need, Doodles?
We need some tape.
Yep, tape to adhere.
Look what I just made.
That is awesome.
It's a sock.
It's a sock, it is a sock. It's a really good one too. You need tape to adhere the template to the sandpaper, and then you're gonna need a grown-up to cut that out for you. What else? What else is here that we need, bud?
Some glue.
Some glue, and we also have adults only hot glue for some of the bigger items. What else, Doodles?
We got some glitter, which is my favorite.
Yep, we've got some glitter, and this also came in the subscription box. So if you ordered it, you will receive the glitter and the sandpaper and the template, and then these beads, which are little stars. And then what's the part that makes it sandcastle-y?
Seashells.
Seashells. Those also came in the box if you ordered. Okay, are you ready to get started? My love.
I'm trying to make this person.
So the idea here is that you can decorate this however your heart desires. But I thought it might be fun.
Rough.
Yeah, it feels like sand. I thought it might be fun to start with the bigger things.
Look, I got glitter.
Glitter. And do kind of like the seashells in the middle maybe. Where do you want it? Kelly, this is your sandcastle. Where do you want to put the shells? What do you think?
Can we go like this? A pattern?
Yeah. That looks awesome. Now, do you want the shells to be in line, or do you kind of like that rainbow?
I like it.
I like it too. All right, so grown-ups, once you have a pattern decided, grab your glue gun, and Callie, don't burn your fingers.
No, you burn.
I always do, don't I?
Burn your fingers again.
No. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm burning my fingers again. Put here.
Yeah, I knew it.
All right, can you help me push this down? I need your help. I just need you to hold it like right there. Perfect.
Ow, ow.
No, it doesn't burn on the top side.
I think that's enough.
Is that stable?
Yeah, what kind of?
That looks awesome.
Do you like my new head?
I love your new head.
Didn't see it. Look at it. Oh, let's go.
Callie, would you rather go to Cinderella Castle or go into a sand castle?
Run in the sandcastle.
Really?
What did you thought I was gonna say?
I mean, that's a hard question. Would you rather go to Disney World or go to the beach?
Beach.
Really?
What did you thought?
I don't know, I just didn't know the answer to that question.
So what would you go?
What would I rather do?
Can I tell you your question?
Yeah, tell me a question.
Go to the beach or the rainforest?
That's a really good question. I think I'd love to see the rainforest, but I'd like to go to the beach because it's relaxing, and I don't think the rainforest is relaxing.
Okay, you answered it. It is the beach. I was thinking of you going to the beach.
Put your 2 fingers right there. Would you rather, when you go to the beach, would you rather go swimming or would you rather build a sandcastle?
Swimming.
Me too.
Actually, sandcastle.
Really?
And
I don't believe you. Okay. So far, this is what our Cinderella Sandcastle looks like. Now we gotta do some
more choices.
Yes, but we gotta do some glitter. Okay, so we're gonna use our regular glue, purple, and this is why we have the sheet underneath. I'm gonna move our other beads off, and we can add more later. And I am gonna glitter or glue the top portion of all like the triangle-y bits.
It's okay, Mom.
That's all right.
I'll dry.
It'll dry, right? That's a good attitude, buddy.
How about this one?
Yep.
That's a lot of glitter.
It's gonna be a lot. All right, are you ready?
That's
So
what
this is a cool glitter thing. Let me show you what it does. So it like lets you sprinkle from this little like robot mouth. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I need you to do it. Wait, that's so much. Okay. So let's go from this side then.
Can I have
Oh boy.
No.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up from this pile and we're gonna sprinkle glitter on
No.
the Yeah, you do it.
If you take
do
it
your
off.
side. Do your side. And then we'll pat it all on.
No, if you take
Callie,
it
Craig,
off.
do your side. Do your side. This is so much glitter. All right, put it on your glue and like pat it in.
Love glitter. So much glitter.
So much glitter. That was crazy. Okay. Okay, are you ready to see?
Sparkle, sparkle.
Let's see what happens. All right, hands, yeah, do this right over the paper. Wait, okay, ready? How cute! So this is what the tops came out like. Okay. Now that we've got our glittery tops, do you want to add stars anywhere else? Here, why don't you take these stars and put them where you want them, and then I can. Okay, so get all the little stringies off. Okay, everyone. This
is what I look like.
This is what she looks like. And let's see. This is our final product of Cinderella Castle. Oh, gentle, gentle, it's still drying. We've got our glittery tops. We've got our seashells. We've got some beautiful blue stars, maybe for the blue fairy. Right?
Can I look out myself?
Yeah, okay. Are you ready to say goodbye? Thank you everybody for being here and crafting with us. We hope you had a good time and that your summer is going awesome.
It's awesome.
Please be sure to check out the freebie down below and join us at Fairy Tale Summer on Facebook if you haven't already for more weekly activity ideas.
Oh yeah, they're so awesome.
And we will see you soon.
Yeah.
Bye friends.